Hello everyone. Today I want to eat chicken side. So making Chinese style stir fry. It's called razuchi. It's a sichuan style Chinese food. So hot spicy stir fried chicken. I'm gonna try to make it. Okay, I'm just show you how. So top need hot chili pepper with seeds, because seeds have a hot spicy flavor and very it's a good flavor. Also, this one is hoa jiao. You can find easy some regular supermarket Chinese seasoning section. Also using garlic, ginger, and long leek. Okay, let's start cooking the chicken side. So cut like a dice size. This and ginger and garlic. Chinese sake, 紹興酒. Shiro dashi, white soy sauce, cc, and just a little bit soy sauce. 5cc. Mix up. Start. Yes. And long leek. So this dish is I'm gonna use a leaf one. It's a green one. Also. So cut like this. Good. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, this is about 2 garlic and just cut half. Using negi oil. So this dish is using oil like this. This flavor comes from garlic and olive oil. Chicken. Keep it. So, high flame using this oil. Foie gras. Sake, chocolate little. And hot chili. Okay, let's do it like this a little bit. Good flavor. Delicious. Looks so spicy hot. So sichuan style, stir fried chicken with Chinese seasoning. There's one. Chili pepper with chili pepper seeds. いただきます。Chicken. So delicious. Mmm. So good flavor. Some hot chili pepper with strongly. Mmm. Drink with chilled sake. Oh, so good, so tasty. Mm. Chicken is so soft. Delicious. So if you like a hot taste, I really recommend in this way. You will make it. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Have a good day.